Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about Imama Co reviews? If yes, then watch this video till the end because this unbiased review helps you to decide about either you should buy anything from the store or not. So let's check out the Daily Mama is an online website that deals in activewear and pregnancy clothes. It is mainly targeted towards young women. They claims to make durable, premium quality and comfortable activewear clothing. This has bottom, tops, bras, jumpers, pregnancy clothes, pregnancy recovery clothes, and nursing clothes. The most popular and prominent products on their website is their leggings. Let's check out the specification of the website. The domain age is unknown. It is HTTPS secure website. They are selling active and maternity wears. They have mentioned their email address, physical address, and contact detail. They are accepting different payment methods. Like if you want to return the product, you can return within 10 days. Like you can refund the original payment within 3 days. They have mentioned their exchange policy and shipping policy. For delivery in Australia they need 1 to 5 days, and for the country it took 5 to 15 days. They have mentioned their social media accounts. The positive point of the website are the website is well designed and attractive. They have provided all the policies and any other information for the visitors of the website. There is a detailed description of each product along with money picture. They provide worldwide shipping and express shipping is available too. They have lots of discount and sale item for their product line. The negative point of the website are they have small collection of apparel to shop from that are very similar to each other. Even though there is worldwide shipping, they only have few currencies to pay with. They don't have review section on their website. So the question is, Imama Co legit? As we all know, we are not sure about the domain age. It has 60% trust score that can be considered to be an average to good trust index. As far as content is concerned, it is seems to be original. They have discussed their policies in detail. Honest information is available. They are active on Instagram and Facebook. Their address of physical store is Australia, so it's a legit address. It is a HTTPS secured website. As far as reviews are concerned, like they don't have a review space under their product, but there are good video reviews on their view tab. Additionally, we found videos of many women appreciating their products and giving them positive reviews. There are good reviews and comment on their social media profiles as well. Therefore, they have a large following on their social media platform. We found some thoughts about this on Quora as well. So we conclude that Imama Co is a legit platform for your safe purchase, but do consider all the legit details which we share with you before purchasing, and we recommend you all to make your own research on your own behalf, then make a wise decision for yourself. And if you have a personal experience from imamaco.com, please share your views and experience with us. We love to hear from you.